To everyone. Hi everyone. Good evening.
Stuck in an endless loop, copy pasting code from forums, and watching online tutorials to learn development.
Hi everyone. Good evening to everyone. Okay, in the today's session, we are going to talk about in this video is particularly I'm going to take the live stream for to give career guidance related to full stack developer career guidance. Okay, so I'm going to discuss the topics who is full stack developer. Okay, and what are the skills required to become a full stack developer. Okay, and also what are the different types of full stack developers are there. Okay, and also we will discuss which one is more demand in future, either full stack developer or back end developer or front end developer. Okay, and also we will discuss can career gaps candidates eligible to do full stack developer course or not, and we will discuss this topic as well. Okay, and one more query: freshers can get full stack course, full stack developer job or not. Okay, so and also which is more demand, full stack, which is more demand, which full stack is more demand, either Java full stack or Python full stack or full stack web developer, the combination of React and Node.js, and which one is more demand. Okay, so we are going to discuss all these concepts in this session. So after that and we will after that I'm going to clear your doubts as well in this session only. Okay, so we will take this session around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so initial 15 to 20 minutes I will discuss some topics related to full stack developer course. Okay, after that I will take all messages, whatever the doubts you have. I will read all your doubts and I will clarify your doubts as well. Okay, so first thing is please like our this live stream, then it will reach more people. Okay, and one more thing, friends. This session is specially for full stack developer related jobs only. We are going to discuss full stack developer related jobs only. Yes, there are different types of full stack developers jobs are there, not only Java full stack. We will cover uh, all the different types of full stack developer related queries in this session only. So initial 15 to 20 minutes I will explain who is full stack developer, how many types of full stack developers are there. Okay, and also and what type of full stack developer is more demand, we will cover all those things. Okay, yes, good evening for all, good evening for everyone. Okay, so I will reply to all your queries. I will reply to all your queries after discussing some full stack developer related topics. Okay, so first thing is I am going to tell you who is full stack developer. Okay, can anyone text, can anyone message us who is full stack developer? I will give 1 minute, I will give 2 minutes. Please, please text a message who is full stack developer. Please, can anyone give answer? Yes, Raja has given answer. Who handles both front end and back end? Right. That's a good point. Yes, Kuldeep also is given right answer. Yes, Balaji Ganesh, your answer is right. Yes, Ramakrishna is a good. Okay. Okay, Venkatesh Shantu. Yes, right. Yes, Venkatesh Shantu, who knows front end, back end, and database technologies. Right. Hmm. Right. Sai Teja, yes, your answer also absolutely right one only. Okay, so let me tell you who is full stack developer means. So why full stack developer role has introduced in software industry, you know? So actually, you know very well in software companies, there are particular jobs are there, different types of job roles, job positions are there in software companies in IT field, like front end developer or UI developer or back end developer or server side developer or database developer. Okay, there are different types of job positions are available in software companies. But whenever generations are changing and digital transformation are going to change. Okay, so recently full stack developer job positions are going to be very demand. Why, you know? So instead of hiring a front end developer and back end developer, they are hiring only one resource only who knows both front end technology as well as back end technology, and also database related technologies, so web servers, okay, and agile methodology, okay, and NoSQL databases. There are different technologies. That means end to end project who can able to handle end to end project from beginning to ending of the project. Okay, such kind of person is nothing but a full stack developer. Okay, so companies are looking for full stack developers only. They are very interested to hire the full stack developers nowadays, in the future as well. The reason is, the reason is, so if you hire, so if you want to implement a project, you need front end developers and back end developers or server side interface developers, and also API developers and database developers. Like this, there are many resources you need to hire. But instead of hiring that much people, only if you hire one person who knows all technologies and all skills, and who can able to handle all those things, like from beginning to ending of the project. Such kind of person is nothing but full stack developer. I hope you got it right. Then you may have another doubt: what are the skills required to become a front you may have another doubt: what are the skills required to become a full stack developer? Please text me what are the skills required to become a full stack developer. Please text. So I am waiting for who can give some how to become a full stack developer. What are the skills required to become a full stack developer? Can anyone please text me? Yes, Raja. Yes, you are written some front end related technologies. Yes, please text. Please text what are the skills required to become a full stack developer. Yeah, Ganesh, right? Bhanusundar, right? Jayant, Sai Tejam, Karan Kapoor, Rajesh. Rajesh, I'm going to discuss all those queries after discussing full stack related topics. Yes, okay. Venkatesh, okay, fine. Okay, let me explain what are the main skills are required to become a full stack developer. So I have a doubt. Is this really required depth knowledge of every technology to become a full stack developer? Please say yes or no. Is this really required depth knowledge on each skills and each topic to become a full stack engineer? Yes. So absolutely, everyone giving 100% right answer only, because so everyone knows full stack developer means he is able to handle end to end project. That means he must have knowledge on different technologies and different skills. So therefore, as a full stack developer, no need to be master on different technologies, but he should be able to handle, he should be able to understand, and he should be able to learn quickly whatever the technology. So based on the project, based on the requirement, you have to learn quickly and you have to handle the project. Such kind of ability, such kind of skills who can have, those candidates must be suitable to become a full stack developer. It's not necessary, it's not a mandatory for depth technologies, in-depth technologies on each technology, because no one can become master, no one can become expert on every technology. Everyone knows that point, right? Okay, so therefore, okay, learn what are the mandatory technologies to crack the interview. What are the mandatory technologies to crack the interviews? You have to learn it. Okay, but it's not a mandatory to expert on each and every topic. Okay, based on the project, based on the requirement, you have to learn quickly and you have to adapt to the new domain, and you must be able to adopt new technology. So such kind of people, happily you can become a full stack developer. Okay, so now the main point is, what are the main skills required to become a full stack developer? Everyone knows front end technologies and back end technologies and database technologies. You know very well front end technologies means, everyone knows basic front end technology like HTML, CSS. After that, HTML and CSS, after that you have to learn JavaScript. JavaScript is mandatory front end development, for front end web development or app development, whatever it may be. JavaScript is mandatory, along with that one framework, one front end framework. It might be Angular or JavaScript library, React.js or Vue. So based on the project, based on the company requirement, so most of the companies, they are hiring front end framework, either Angular or React. Everyone knows this point as well. Okay, so therefore front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React or Angular. After that, you must be, if you have good added, if you have good advantage, if you know Bootstrap as well, it is very good added advantage. Okay, because by using Bootstrap you can easily make applications, responsive design applications. Okay, okay, leave it. Front end technologies, you front end technologies are, you understand very well. Then what about back end technologies? So back end technologies means you must have one programming language, not to, no need to learn all programming language, guys. No need to learn all programming language. Don't be confused here. Only one programming language. And second programming language, it's a, if you have added advantage. Suppose if you want to become a Java full stack developer, then backend technology must be Java technology. Suppose if you want to become a Python full stack developer, then the backend technology must be a Python. Suppose if you want to become a full stack web developer, then the technology must be a Node.js or PHP. Okay, so nowadays most of the projects are coming for based on the Node.js only. Okay, PHP also is a good one, but Node.js is more demand in the worldwide, across the worldwide. Okay, and if you want to become like full stack .NET developer, then C Sharp and MVC .NET technologies as a backend technology. Okay, so like this, based on your dream job, based on your interest, you have to select the backend technology. Here, backend technologies means whatever it may be. It might be Java or yeah, PHP, Node.js, okay, Python, and one more recent popular programming language, Go language, Ruby, and Rail, whatever it may be. But most demand one, Java, PHP, C Sharp, Node.js. Okay, so these are the backend technologies. Okay, now let's discuss about is career gap. If you have career gap, then those candidates eligible to do this course or not? Yes, yes, career gap people also can able to learn full stack developer. You can easily become full stack developer as well. Okay, yes, site is it's a depends on the project. Bootstrap, jQuery, Ajax is also important. But to crack the interview and to enter the interviews, whatever the skills I have specified right now, those enough. Okay, so after entering to the IT company, so you have to upgrade your skills based on the requirement and the project and client. No need to learn all technologies before entering to the IT company. Once you enter into the IT company, automatically the client will give KT or training to you before starting the project, or if it is already the project has started, then they will give some training if you don't know the if you don't know the technology. Okay, so whatever the technologies I specified, so those are enough to enter into the or to crack the software job as a full stack developer. Okay, there are different technologies are there. That means whatever the technologies are there, whatever the skills are there in IT, you have to handle all the skills as a full stack developer. Okay, so therefore you have to learn mandatory skills to crack the interview and to enter into the software field. No need to learn all the technologies. Okay, so along with that technologies also you have to learn database skills and cloud related technologies as well, like AWS, DevOps, AWS or Azure or GCP. It is also based on the client requirement and based on the company only. And also database technologies as well, like RDBMS technologies and NoSQL database as well. RDBMS technologies means here like SQL Server, PostgreSQL, okay, or Oracle. NoSQL database skills means you have to learn like MongoDB, Redis, or Cassandra. Okay, and you should also good have additional skills like GitHub, GitLab. Okay, along with that some automation testing tool like Selenium. Okay, so all these skills are mandatory to survive as a full stack developer. But it is all depends on the project only. Okay, so whenever the project is expecting some skills, you have to learn those skills. If you already trained those skills, then it is very well and good to you. You can happily adapt to the new technology. You can easily complete the task as well. Okay, okay. So can career gap candidates eligible to do this course? Yes, absolutely 100% eligible to do this course. Career gap also. Okay, and one more doubt many candidates having: freshers can get full stack developer or not? Yes, there are job opportunities are there. Freshers also can get full stack developer position. But I can say one thing, guys, in the matter of freshers, in the view of freshers point, freshers, after joining the company, after entering into the company, based on the requirement, they will assign the task. They will give the designation. It might be testing, or it might be manual testing, automation testing, IT support, associate engineer. So based on their project, they will assign to you. Even though if you are completed training on full stack developer, so based on the project, based on their project, they will give assignment. They will give some designation to you. So whatever technology you know, you may not get the same technologies work after joining in the company as a fresher. As a fresher means you don't expect much from the company. I know Java full stack developer. I know I have trained Java full stack course. Can I get project on the same relevant skills? Maybe you can get on. Maybe you may not get as well. It depends on your project manager. You have to convince them. So I know a full stack developer. I have trained on full stack Java full stack developer course. So can you assign the same work? So if they have such kind of projects, then they definitely assign that work as well. But 80% of the freshers, they will get some other task only, some other work only. Okay. The next query is which full stack is more demand and get high package. So we cannot say which full stack is more demand. So there are different types of full stack developers are there, like Node.js, like JavaScript full stack developer, and Python full stack developer, and PHP full stack developer, and Java full stack developer. Okay, but my recommendation is there are two technologies are there, two full stack developer positions are there. They are getting more package. First one is Java full stack developer, and second one is JavaScript full stack developer, like Node.js and React.js combination. So these people getting more package. It's nothing but Node.js and Angular or React is nothing but MERN stack or mean stack developers. Okay, so these positions getting high package. Okay, so and Java full stack developer as well. Okay, okay. Now let's take the session like doubt session. Okay. So what are the? I will take some queries which are going to asking more frequent one. Okay. Yes, Nagendra, Django is a good one in present. You can take it. Ram Lakshmi, yes, can I get full stack job with 7 years gap? Yes, you can get, but you have to try with experience only, Ram Lakshmi. Okay. Nagendra, yes, Django is a good one, present. Yes, Ravi, Salesforce technologies, more jobs are there. Bhupati, yes, SAP MM is good one. Sai Teja, which database is trending with full stack developer? Database like if you are it is RDB, if it is RDBMS, then PostgreSQL and MySQL. If it is no SQL database, then MongoDB and Redis. Yes, Ravi, you can get job Salesforce job with the 4 years gap as well. But you have to try with experience only. Don't try as a fresher. You may not receive calls. Sai Reddy, yes, RPA Blue Prism. Yes, it's a good one. But in the market, the minimum calls are there. But in the future, you can get more calls. Asif, yes, Python is also good one. But you cannot get if you learn only with Python. If you are learning only Python, you may not get calls. You may not get job. You have to learn some associate skills with Python. Like if you want to become a data analyst, you have to learn associate skills. And if you want to become a business analyst or some other skills like machine learning or any other skills. So along with Python, you have to learn some associate skills. Or if you want to become web developer, then you have to learn Python and Django. Rajasimha, Power BI versus RPA. Yes, you can take Power BI. Power BI is the most demand right now. Prashant, after Java, what should I have to learn? So after Java, you have to learn like if you want to become a Java developer, then you can learn Spring Boot and microservices and Hibernate. And if you want to become full stack developer, I mean a Java full stack developer, then learn backend like Spring Boot, microservices, Hibernate, and front end is any Angular or React. Ram Lakshmi, 7 years gap is suggest course means what is your qualification and any previous experience you have? Charan Reddy, Salesforce developer or full stack developer. So, Sharon Reddy, if you have good, strong technical skills and some logical thinking skills and problem solving skills, then better to learn full stack developer only. Okay, compared to Salesforce developer. Vishal Sharma, you have 50%. That means what is your pass out here? Yeah, there are some companies are there, Vishal Sharma. You can try some mid-sized companies also. They are hiring 50% marks as well. Okay, no need to be 60% or 70%. Yes, Priyanka, .NET developer is it's always evergreen technology. You no need to worry about that one. You can happily learn .NET technology as well. Yes, Angular or React, which one is more demand means it's based on the project. But most nowadays, recently, React is a little bit high compared to Angular. Yes, React only getting more demands and getting more jobs and getting more receiving more calls as well. Angular also is the best one. Yeah, Beanstack, PostgreSQL. Yes, that is also good one. Um, so, friends, if anyone didn't receive any, I mean, didn't receive your query, I mean, if you didn't receive any answer from my end, so don't be fear. Okay, please text me on Instagram or through email as well. I have already specified, mentioned all my contact details in the video description. Please contact me from there also because I am able to answer all the queries. So therefore, no problem. I will reply maximum to all queries. If you contact through Instagram or Telegram, and also please support our channel as well, friends. No problem. Work from office no, doesn't affect. No problem. If you have skills, you can program with JavaScript. Oh, thank you very much. Yes, I hope so. I need more and more support from you guys. Salesforce jobs are very demand. You don't worry about that one. Without hesitating, you can learn Salesforce, and Pega as well. Yes, Rajesh Rao. Yes, you can happily start your career as a testing as well. Testing also good feature is there, no problem. Ram Lakshmi, please text me or mail me your doubts, related your doubts. Okay. Raja, how do you know so many things, sir? It's based on my experience only, Raja. And I always used to analyze each and every topic from different articles, different. I used to search different analysis, and I used to communicate with many software engineers, project managers. Okay, then only I will give some the complete and genuine information in our videos. Power BI and testing, which one is best? See, friends, if you have good technical knowledge and programming knowledge, then testing is good one compared to Power BI. If you don't have programming knowledge, then better to choose Power BI only. Raja, definitely, I will provide myself on fine day. Okay, actually, this session is I particularly created for full stack developer position, full stack developer related career guidance. So please ask a full stack related career guidance, then I definitely reply to your answer. So who are passed out recently, like 2020 or 21 and 22 passed out candidates? So they are asking which technology you can prefer. So see, friends, if you are computer science related background, then you can happily learn any one programming language and one database skills. That's enough, friends, to enter into the software field. No need to learn all the technologies, because based on their projects only, the companies will give designation, and they will assign the work for freshers, particularly for freshers. No need to learn any more skills. Like, you have to learn one programming language, any one programming language. It might be Java or Python or JavaScript, whatever it may be. Learn one programming language. Even C++ also, it's a good one for freshers, because they will check your logical thinking and your problem solving skills only as a fresher. Okay. And also database skills, some SQL related fundamentals knowledge. And they don't expect more from you as a fresher. So all 2020, 21 and 22 passed candidates, please remember this point. Just to learn any one programming language and one database skills. And also, it's a good to have some latest technologies, basic knowledge, like what is machine learning, where do you use machine learning, and what is DevOps, or what is cloud computing, different types of clouds. So if you know all these things, it is a very good added advantage. Okay. So Node.js is a good one, MSSP. Software testing is a different course. Even full stack engineers also, they should have knowledge on testing as well. I already told you, full stack developers must know each and every technology. If you don't know, they have to learn based on the project demand, based on the requirement. They have to learn. Full stack developer means they have to handle each and every technology, whatever the existing technologies or future technologies. You have to keep on upgrade your skills, keep on learning only as a full stack engineer or full stack developer. Hi Shiva. So learn not just from any online or offline training. It might be a training institute, or if you know anyone, Like if you know anyone in the real time environment, you can ask them, you can request them, or you can take the training from training institutes as well. So if you compare full stack and Salesforce, I cannot say, because both are high demand right now. Okay. A programmer Telugu, please explain difference between log4j and yes, you can join full stack with BSc, MSc as well. No problem at all. Yes, you can join D2HD. See, friends, a minimum for 2 years of experience full stack developer, you will get the average salary around 10 to 12 lakhs or 15 lakhs as well. It depends on the company. For 2 years of experience full stack developer, you will get around 10 to 15 lakhs package. Even more, above 15 also. If your entry performance is very well, if you give an entry performance and based on your bag, based on your graduation, okay, so where you studied, suppose if you are from IIT, some other top university, then they will provide for 2 years experience candidate even 30 lakhs as well. The companies like JP Morgan, okay, like Oracle product based company, okay, some product based companies are there, they definitely give package for 2 years experience candidate also up to 20 to 25 lakhs. Okay. Yes, full stack in the future, maybe many candidates, you can expect full stack developer jobs only, because who know multi skills, who can able to do multitask, those people will prefer, those people only prefer all software companies in the future, might be. Yes, front end technology, UI developer also mandatory and back end developers also mandatory, but in the future maybe chance are there. Rajesh Rao, how can I switch from testing to development? See friends, if you are very good in programming knowledge, then you can happily switch from testing to development as well. So friends, if you have any doubts related to full stack career guidance, please text me. So we have left only 5 minutes. Anyone full stack related queries? So Java and Node.js both are high demand. So based on your dream job, you can choose. Rishi, I already told you, based on your dream job, you can choose Java, either Java or Node.js. Hi Venkat. Surya, so Node.js is the best one as of now. It depends on your qualification. If you are from MBA background, then SAP is the best one. Yes, Ayappa, you can learn Spring Boot after core Java. Fancy, yes, RPA Blue Prism is very good one, but as of now, some minimum calls only. But in the future, everything is going to automation only. The digital is going to transmission, everything in automation. Okay, so in the future is very good RPA tools as well. Yes, Shivkumar is a good point. He asked a good question. So, is data structures and algorithms is mandatory for full stack development means? See, friends, to become a master, to become a expert in any full stack developer, then DSA, data structure and algorithm skills is mandatory only. But without DSA also we can survive. So no problem at all. But it is good to have. If you want more package and if you want to switch from service based to product based company, if you are very good in data structures and algorithms concept, then you can easily switch from service to product based company and you can get high packages. But to survive in service based company, DSA not that much mandatory. Yes, you can switch full stack developer. Just to learn any front end technology, then you can happily switch to full stack developer. Suppose if you are working as a back end developer, it might be Node.js or PHP or Java or any technology. If you are working or .NET developer, learn any one front end technology and learn one cloud related services and learn one NoSQL database. Then you can easily become a full stack developer and you can expect more package as well, and you will have better career growth as well in the future, because you might be work as a backend developer or front end developer or database related work. Then no one can stop you guys. So if you know all these technologies and if you have worked on all these technologies, just 2 or 3 projects is enough. If you worked as a full stack developer, if you 3 or 4 projects, then you will be master. Then you will become master in full stack developer. Then you can expect more package as well. No one can stop you. So as Kumar, as a fresher, man stack, full stack development means you can expect depends on the company. If it is a good company, you can expect up to 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs package as a fresher. Suppose if it is a startup company or mid-sized company, you can expect 3 to 4 lakhs only. See friends, as a fresher, even full stack developer fresher position also, suppose if you are started your career in the startup company or mid-sized company, you can expect to 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs, below 5 lakhs only. So if it is a good company, if it is MNC company or product-based company, then you can expect more package, above 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, or 8 lakhs. Okay, so as a full stack job, as a full stack engineer for fresher position. Shivkumar, the right question you asked is it certificate is necessary to get a job? See friends, it depends on the requirement. Some clients expecting some certifications from the candidate. Not every company, not every job opening, they don't expect certificates. Only few companies only they expect certifications. But if you done certification, it is good to have only. It's not a wrong thing. So if you have time and if you have patience, then you can done the certification, whatever the course you learn, whatever the course you have learned and you are learning, you just done that course with certification, because it definitely will helpful in the future. Okay. So Java career is evergreen, Vijay. No problem at all. Java career is evergreen. Java full stack developer also. Yes, for 3 years of experience for Java full stack developer, you can expect from service-based companies 12 lakhs, up to 12 lakhs, 12 to 14 lakhs, even 15 lakhs as well, if it is good company for 3 years experience Java full stack developer. Venkata, Pega is a good one. So if you are very interested and passionate towards Pega, then you can happily learn Pega BPM tool, no problem. Yes, for the Oracle career also is a good one. Okay, so there are different types of jobs are there in Oracle related products. So that's all, guys, man. So if you still have any doubts, please check our video description. Okay, so there are some links are there to contact us. Okay, so I will definitely reply to your message through Telegram or Instagram. Okay, okay. We will meet with one more live stream after 2 weeks, after a couple of weeks. Okay, so in the same time only, Saturday 9 p.m. We will take another session and we will take another career guidance. So this session we discuss like a full stack related career guidance. Okay, so I hope please understand, if please understand me if anyone didn't, if anyone did not get any reply by me. Okay, so I definitely reply to your queries. Just pass through Instagram or Telegram. Please check video description, you find the links. You can get the links and you just contact me. Okay, and uh, I hope we will meet again in the next couple of weeks. Okay, so thank you for your support, friends. Okay, we'll meet on. Thank you very much for your support. We'll meet once again. Okay, so bye bye. It's a good night.